Alright, so I'm about to make my homemade guacamole because I love guacamole. As y'all can see, I have a whole avocado, half an avocado, well, less than half, a lime, tomato, some cilantro. It's not fresh, it's dry, but it's still good. A spring onion, and then over here I have some salt and pepper, and then I have some salsa because sometimes I like to put a scoop of salsa in it. I don't add anything spicy because I'm really not a spice girl. Spice girl. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of garlic. So that's that. So the guacamole is finished. I did add some garlic on top, and then I'm gonna just eat it with some of these mission triangles, which is tortilla chips, of course. And these are my favorite because they are not oily. I either get these or the organic ones by, are they by Circle 365? I don't know, but yeah, these, and this is the guac, and then of course a bottle of water.